Hi guys, dito tayo sa Lesson 5 at Week 5 ng Computer Application for the Workplace and Integrated Software Application. So ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa word art and text boxes. So ano ba yung word art? Okay? Word art enables you to display text graphically by applying colors and effect to text. For example, you can apply glow or reflection to your text. You can also distort text using word art. Word provides many word art style that you can easily apply to text for that creative touch and to make a visual statement. Okay, so uh, dito, yung word art kasi pwede tayong sample pag yung text natin gawin nating yung may glow, yung reflection, may reflection, distorted, mga ganon. So pwede natin gamitin yung word art. Okay? Kumbaga pwede natin lagyan ng effect or design or style. Yun yung ginagawa sa word art. Okay? So parang object siya. Okay? Kaya parang graphics pero text lang siya. Okay? So text. So words presented as graphics with colors, distortion, shadows, or other 3D effects can add interest and impact to a document. Okay? Kumbaga, pampaganda sa document mo. Ganun. In words, you can create these effects by applying word art to text. Okay? Word art can be used to emphasize a specific word for headings and cover page. Okay? For example, you can apply a word art style to text and then modify the style suit your needs. Okay? So, usually kasi sa word art, parang ginagamit ito especially sa front, okay? Or kaya sa cover page. Okay? Cover page. Yan. Ito yung word art gallery. Okay? Yung nasa right ng screen natin, yan yung word art gallery. Okay? The word art gallery provides 30 styles to choose from. To display the word art gallery, click on the insert tab and then click on word art in the text group. Okay? Yung parang letter A na malaki, yun yung word art. The difference between word art and text effects. Okay? The style and the word art gallery are based on the range of available text effect in words. When applying text effect to text, you simply select the text and then apply the desired effect. However, when applying word art to text, the text will be placed into a text box. The text box can then be repositioned, resized, and the like. Okay? So, yun yung pagkakaiba ng word art at saka ng text effect. Okay? So, yan. Ito yung example ng text effect. Okay? Once you have applied word art style to your text, you can then modify the style as required using the tools available on the drawing tools. Format tab that appears when you apply word art. As well as changing the fill and outline color. For example, Word provides a range of text effect that you can apply. Okay, so ito yung effect ng text natin, the shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, transform, and 3D rotation. So yung shadow, depende sa gusto mo. Kung yung shadow niya is nasa ibaba, nasa right, o kaya nasa left, o kaya nasa itaas. Okay? Yung reflection, yung parang shadow din siya, pero parang naka baliktad na na shadow ng yung text. Okay? Yung glow naman, yung parang nakapalibot na na kulay, yan yung glow. Then, yan, bevel, transform, and 3D rotation. Yung 3D, okay? So, parang yung buo yung nakikita mo. Okay? Then you can also apply gradients and patterns to text. Okay? So, yan yung mga effects ng text natin. Yung pwede natin gawin. Okay? So, kung minsan, yung example, yung shadow, nakikita natin sa mga slideshows, sa mga presentations, sa mga sa projection. So may shadow, paano kaya nila ginawa 'yon? So ito yung yung ginagawa nila. Pwede rin sa PowerPoint 'yan, hindi lang sa Microsoft Word, sa PowerPoint pwede rin. Okay? Mayroon ding text effect sa PowerPoint kaya nakikita sa presentation. So, yan. So, applying word art. Paano ba natin na-apply yung word art? There are two ways to apply word art to text. Okay? You can select existing text and then select a style from the word art gallery. Okay? At which point, Word will copy and insert the text into the text box, or you can select a word art style first and then type the text into the text box that appears. Word art is best used for short snip of text, such as heading and caption. For example, so ito. Pag nag-apply tayo, yan, may steps tayo dito na susundin. Click on the Insert tab, then click on Word Art. Yan, yung parang A na blue. Yan yung icon niya. In the text group to display the Word Art Gallery. So pag click nyo yun, lalabas itong nasa yung mga style ng Word Art. Ito yung tinatawag na Word Art Gallery. Then point to the different styles. When you point to a word art style, its name will be displayed as a tooltips. So there are 6 styles in each row. Yan. Pababa 2, 4, 6. Yan. So meron tayong 30 styles ng word art sa word art gallery. So mamili lang kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong style ng text. Okay? Then click at mag-a-apply na siya sa ginawa nyong text. Okay? So number 3, click in fill blue, accent 1, inner shadow. Then the accent 1 to apply the style and create a word art text box. So nakikita niyo yan. The text box will be inserted somewhere on the page. Your text here appears highlighted in a new text box ready for you to type the text. Yan. So kapag nag-click kasi tayo ng word art, click natin yon. So mayroon siyang text box na lalabas. At saka may built-in na text which is your text here. Yun yung nakalagay doon, your text here. At kung ano yung style ng default na word art, yun yung lalabas. Ngayon, i-highlight mo lang siya. At kung gusto mong palitan yung style, click mo lang sa may arrow sa my word art icon. Then lalabas yung mga styles, yung effects, okay? Yung mga design sa word art gallery at mamili ka lang doon. Ngayon, pag nakapili ka na, click mo lang, then yung your text here ay mapapalitan ng gusto mong style. Then pwede ka nang mag-type ng text na gusto mo. Okay? Example, the AIDS Research Institutes. Yan yung text na tatype natin. Then press enter and type Green Force Project. Yan, yun yung output niya, yung nasa baba, number 4. Okay? Click outside the text box on the blank area of the document. Then the text box will no longer be editable. Okay? Then save the document. Yan yung kung paano. Okay? So, madali lang. So, pag sinundan nyo itong instruction na to, yung steps, madali lang nyo na masundan yung steps. Okay? So, very easy. Okay? Simple lang. Very simple. Yan. So, for your reference, to apply word art, yan. So, parehas din sa sa example na number 2. Yan. So, yung word art kasi, automatically, ang size niya is 36 points. So, pwede mong palitan yan. The font that is used is determined by the style that you select. So you can change these settings in Edit Word Art Text dialog box as you create the word art. Yan. So madali lang yung mga steps. Okay, kung may computer kayo, madali lang. Okay, wag cellphone na kasi walang I'm sure na walang Microsoft Word na gaya ng ginagamit natin ngayon. Okay, so pag may Microsoft Word man yung cellphone nyo, so hindi magkapareho kasi yung niyan, yung mga commands. Okay, kasi Android, so may mga kulang din sa cellphone. So mas mainam na pag ginagawa natin to, laptop o kaya computer yung ginagamit natin para mas masundan natin. Okay? So yan. Tuloy natin. So, paano ba natin i-edit yung word art text? Okay? Editing text in a word art text box is the same as if you were editing text in a normal document. Okay? Parang nagta-type din sa normal document. You must first either select and the text or position the cursor and then type or edit the text as required. In this exercise, you will update some of the existing text in the word art text box to demonstrate editing text in the text box. So, gaya ng first na ginawa natin, AIDS Research Institute and Green Force Project. Yan, pwedeng i-edit yan at yung output niya is AIDS Research Institute, then Green Force Venture. Yung project, naging venture. Okay, so to do that, double-click on the word project in the word art text box to select it. Okay, then when you double-click on a word in a text box, the text box automatically becomes active or editable. Yan. Then select the word project, then type the venture text or word. Okay, yan. So select natin yung text na gusto nating palitan, then pag highlight, naka-highlight na siya, no need na i-type yung delete o kaya backspace key sa keyboard. Okay, pag naka-highlight, i-type na lang natin yung text na gusto nating ipalit. Okay, then click outside the text box to deselect the text box and view the result. Then save the document. Okay? So every time na gumagawa tayo, nag-edit kayo sa document, gumagawa kayo sa document, don't forget na mag-save. Okay? Every kung ano man yung ginawa natin, dapat kailangan na i-save natin para hindi mawala. Kasi pag nag-brown out yan, although meron namang automatic save. Okay? Auto save yung natin, yung word every 5 minutes yon. Pero pag na wala, hindi naabot yung 5 minutes, hindi may save yung ginawa natin. Kaya huwag kalimutan na pag ginagawa natin yung document, gumagawa tayo ng document, huwag kalimutan na mag-save. Okay? From time to time yan. Para pag na accidentally nag-off yung laptop, at least mayroon kang na-save. Okay? So, yan, applying text effect. Each of the style in the word arts gallery is created using a combination of different text effect available in Word. Once you have applied word art to text, you can modify the text effects or apply different text effect to the style. Some effects include glow, reflection, 3D, transforming, shadow, and bevel. Here you will apply a glow to the word art and transform to text. Okay? Yan. So, sundan nyo lang tong step na to. Okay? Try this yourself. Yan. Kung may laptop kayo dyan, so nandyan yung steps. Then, type nyo lang yung mga word na to. Okay? AIDS Research Institute Green Force Venture. Okay? Then, boron, yan. So, isotopes. 10B and 11B in popular ice sheets, Australian Antarctic Territory. Okay? By Dr. David Hunter. So, yan yung text o yung output ng gagawin niya. Okay? So, simple lang yan. Okay? So, deleting word art. Okay? If you have inserted word art that you no longer want or need, you can easily delete the text box. Okay? If the word art text box has text wrapping option applied, the text surrounding the text box will adjust to fill the space that becomes available on the page. If the word art is formatted as being a front of text, the text will be unaffected. Yan. So, so pag delete natin yung word art, so may select button yan o kaya i-select mo lang siya. Okay? So may mga ano yan. Yan yung parang box na yan na may bilog-bilog sa paligid niya. So pag ganyan, ibig sabihin nakaselect na yung object. Then ready for deletion. So pwede mo nang i-delete yan. Just press the delete key or backspace key sa sa keyboard o kaya mag-right click ka lang then delete. Okay? Yan. So dito naman tayo sa text box. Okay? Text box are useful for helping to organize your document. They are basically treated the same as shapes. So when you insert the text box, you can format it by changing its fill color, outline color, and shape style, as well as create word art and add 3D effect. Okay? So halos parehas din 'yan sa sa word art, pero may pagkakaiba din. May pagkakaiba. So, 'yan. To insert the text box, select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Yan. Click the text box command in the text group and drop-down menu will appear. Then select through text box. So sa right part ng screen natin, nandito yung mga style ng text box natin. Kung ano yung gusto natin, may mga kulay na yan. So sa gilid, okay, sa left, sa right, sa center. Okay? So yan yung mga built-in na text box. Okay? Then, click, yan, may steps. To insert the text box, select the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click the text box command in the text group, yan. And select text box. Number 4, click and drag on a document to create the text box. Okay? Pwede mong i-drag yung mouse mo, okay? Then drag mo siya, click and drag. then mag-create siya ng text box. Pero pwede rin i-click mo lang siya. Okay? You can now start typing the create text inside the text box. Yan, pwede ka nang mag-type. Yan. So from the drop-down menu, you can also select one of the built-in text box that you have predefined color, font, position, and size if you choose this option. This text box will appear automatically, so you will not need to click the drag to draw it. Okay? Hindi na kailangan na mag-draw ng text box, kundi i-select mo na lang yung option, okay, yung text box option na nandun built-in, then automatically na kung ano yung position niya na nasa yung sa sample, yun din yung position niya sa page. Okay, yun sa document. Okay. Then to move text box, click the text box, then hover the mouse over one of the edges of the text box. The mouse pointer becomes a cross with arrow on its color on its end. Then click the drag to the text box to desired location on the page. Yan, nakita niyo yung mouse pointer dito. Yung mouse pointer, so sabi nga niya cross with arrow. So ibig sabihin niyan, pwede mong i-move yung text box mo. So sa kahit saan sa document. Okay? Click and drag the text box to the desired location on the page kung saan yung position na gusto mo. Then to resize, so click the text box, then click and drag one of the sizing handles on the corner of or sides of the text box until it is the desired size. So yung sizing handle kasi ito yung nasa gilid niya, okay? Yung bilog. Okay? So ngayon yung mouse pointer mo ang mangyayari diyan parang arrow mo. Yan, arrow siya. So pag ganyan, ibig sabihin pwede mo na siyang i-resize. So i-drag mo lang siya, then yun. So kung anong gusto mong size, okay? So if you drag the sizing handles on any of the four corners, you will be able to change the height and the width of the same time. Okay? Pag nasa sa gilid-gilid, pero pag sa gitna, yung square na maliit, yan. Pwede mong paliitin vertically and horizontally. Yan. Sabi niya, the sizing handles on the top or bottom of the text box will only allow you to resize vertically, while the handles on the left and the right sides will resize the text box horizontally. Yan. Okay? So to change the text box shape, yan. Select the text box, a new format tab appear with drawing tools. Yan. Yung icon niya, yan. Okay, then go to the format tab and click the edit shape command. So yan, pwede mong anong shape ng text box gusto mo. Pwedeng heart, mga ganon. Heart o kaya triangle gusto mo. Pwede rin. Then click change shape to display a drop-down list. Yan. Yung shape na pwede nating gamitin pag gusto nating palitan yung shape ng text box natin. Then select the desired shape from the list. Yan. May arrow. Yan. Okay, so lahat yan mga rounded rectangle. So yan. Okay, namili lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong shape ng text box niyo. Okay, then to choose a shape style, okay, choosing a shape style allows you to apply a preset fill and outline color, and in some cases, other effects such as beveling and shadow you don't have to pick a style for your text box, but it can help you save time or experiment with different appearances. Okay. Select the text box. The format tab appears and select the format tab. Yan. Then click the more drop-down arrow in the shape style group to display more style option. Okay, then hover your mouse over the style to see a live preview. Then select the desired style. Then to change the shape fill, so lagyan natin ng kulay yung text box, yung shape. Okay? Select the text box, the format tab appears, then click the format tab, then click the shape fill command to display a drop-down menu. Okay? Yung drop-down menu na yun yung mga different colors na gusto natin o kaya pagpipilian natin. Okay? From the drop-down menu, you can select a color from the list, then choose new fill or select more colors, more fill colors to use the colors that not in the list. Yan. Kung gusto nyo walang kulay, no fill yung pipiliin nyo. Yan. Pero pag gusto nyo tignan pa kung ano yung mga available colors, yan, then more fill colors yung i-select nyo dito. Okay? So, yan. Then, to change the shape outline, okay, pwedeng yung outline, yung line ng shape, pwedeng palitan ng kulay, ng size, okay, yung outline size niya, weight, o kaya thickness, yan. So, ito yung steps niya. Select the text box, the format tab appears, then click the shape outline command to display a drop-down list. Okay? Parehas din sa pag-select ng kulay. Select a color from the list, choose no outline, or select more outline colors to use the color that's not on the list. Okay? From the drop-down menu, you can change the outline color, weight, thickness, and whether it is a dashed line. Okay, so yung isa ka shape fill, yung ito naman yung outline or shape outline, yung nakapalibot na line sa o kaya sa text box mo. Okay? Yan. Kung gusto mong walang walang line, walang box or outline, palitan mo lang o kaya i-select mo lang yung no outline para hindi magkaroon ng line. Gaya ng sa example, yung box may kulay o kaya medyo makapal na linya. Okay? So yan. Then yan. So doon tayo plus sa topic natin. Ngayon, kung may mga katanungan kayo na gustong gusto niyo o hindi niyo maintindihan, so mayroon tayong GC, okay? Kaya i-PM niyo lang ako. Okay, kung mas mas komportable kayo sa sa personal message, then pwede rin. Okay, kung sa group chat para malaman din ng mga iba, mas maganda. Okay? Baka hindi lang kayo ang gustong magtanong, baka parehas kayo ng tanong para masagot din natin doon na sa group chat. Okay? So that's all, and thank you and God bless. Okay?